Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to enable or disable fast startup on Windows 11 using terminal. So paano lang guys ang basic method at start na natin. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching bar, kailangan lang natin i-search yung command prompt. So type mo lang yung CMD. Ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and then click mo lang yung run as administrator. And then dito sa kanyang user account control, click mo lang yung yes. And then ito na siya. So ito yung tinatawag na administrator command prompt. So kung paano ba natin ito i-enable or i-disable ang fast startup, so uunahin muna natin kung paano tayo mag-disable. So dito lang ay kailangan natin i-type yung command keyword na power cfg space /edge space and then type mo lang yung off. And then dito sa keyboard, press mo lang yung enter. And ganun po siya mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-disable yung fast startup using terminal. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-enable ay napakadali lang naman. So type mo lang yung command keyword na power cfg space /edge space and then yung on. And then dito sa keyboard, press mo lang yung enter. And then ganun po siya mga kaibigan. So napakasimpleng technique lang na pwede natin gawin using command prompt. Kaya in-hope na nasundan yung ating step-by-step method at comment ko lang in any questions regarding this tutorial. Maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and click the bell notifications to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.